Right, I'm ready to do unboxing of the HP ZBook Power G8 laptop I just bought. It's gonna be great. I need my Sawzall. Let's just test it's working. Yep, good to go. You with me? Let's do it. Oh no, I can't do this. I need safety glasses. Let's go. No, don't. I'm not silly. It's too expensive. Right, let's do the unboxing proper. So here is the new HP ZBook Power G8 laptop I just purchased yesterday. But before I unbox it, I just want to show you, explain to you the reason why I had to get this. The reason why I had to get the new HP laptop is this Dell. I purchased this in 2014. It's Dell's Inspiron 7537 laptop. It's got an i7 processor, but I bought the Dell Inspiron 7537 laptop in December 2014 for home personal use. It's got an Intel i7 processor, 15.6-inch touchscreen, which is very useful. 1 terabyte hard disk drive, 4-cell lithium-ion battery, 58 watt-hours, a GeForce GT 750M graphics card, and wireless and driver. But here's the but. It's the but that made me replace that. And the but is this: over the last 2 years, the hard disk drive has died 2 times, and when it hasn't died, it fails to start, and you have to keep rebooting and rebooting and rebooting. I've had to reinstall Windows 10 from bare bones twice, so that's not a great experience. Hence, yesterday I bought the HP ZBook Power G8. It has a Generation 11 Intel i7 processor, also 15.6-inch screen, but it's a non-touch, so that's not as good. It's also got 1 terabyte disk drive, but the beauty of it is that it's a solid state drive, so I should not experience the start fails on that experience with the hard disk drive. It's got a bigger battery, 83 watt-hours. It's got a much more powerful graphics card with 4 gig of RAM instead of 2, and that's great because sometimes I use the laptop for video or photo processing. It's got a better Wi-Fi card, Wi-Fi 6 though, that handles 802.11ax. It's got a bigger RAM, 32 gig instead of 16 gig on the Dell. So the Dell was also, when it was running very slow, starting out very slow. So that's not acceptable, and I hope this does a better job. Let's start unboxing. Right, the rest of the box is empty. Let's see what we got. Yeah, that's pretty good protection. 8 carton. The 8 carton is actually hinged, so it doesn't just fall apart. So we have one laptop, put the 8 carton away, few documents, warranty, an Adobe software voucher, more warranty, setup instructions, and it has a barcode on the setup instructions. I'm guessing it's the serial number, maybe. It's a 150 watt power supply, a DC power plug to mate to the laptop, and it's got one of those Clover AC adapters to go into the back of the power supply. It's not that big for 150 watts. It's actually pretty neat and tidy, nice, slim, not bulky, nice. Obviously this is an Australian 240 volt plug. Let's get to the meat. Right, here is the laptop. Nice big Z there, that's attractive. It's actually very thin. Let me get the dimensions. So it's 23.4 centimeters and 35.94 centimeters long. A nice black mat to protect the keyboard during shipping. Nice, it's very attractive, very attractive. So this is a 15.6 inch diagonal cross dimension for the screen. Keypad feels good, nice big touchpad, very slim, and that's just great. Let's see what ports it has. Right, that's an RJ45, that's a USB-A 3.1 port, that's a HDMI 2.0 port. So that's what you got on this side, and that's a lock. It's a nano security lock slot. Nothing on the back. What about the other side? That's the slot for the DC power plug. That's a USB Type-C adapter, 2 USB Type-A 3.1 slots, and an audio microphone combination slot. I'd just like to say again, it is very nice. It's not massive, but I didn't want a 14-inch screen because I think for me 15.6 inch is just right without being overly massive. Now something for you to know is I was thinking about the other products that HP has, the Firefly, but I realized that it actually doesn't have an RJ45 dedicated slot, so you have to use a USB-C slot with an adapter to a RJ45 slot. I think that there's been problems with that type of adapter for the various manufacturers, so simple, straightforward, dedicated is good. That's all I have for you. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please click like on my YouTube channel, DIY Habitat, and I'll be putting out more videos, so if you subscribe to my channel, you'll get to see them. Thank you.